Hi, this is week 2 vocabulary for English 5-6. Before we look at the week 2 words, let's take a look at the way your flashcard should look. On the front of your flashcard, you should write the vocabulary word in very large, legible letters. On the back of the card, you should be writing the part of speech, the definition, drawing a picture, writing the synonyms, the words that mean the same thing, and the antonyms, the words that mean the opposite. So let's take a look at week 2 words. Correlate, redundant, evolve, adhere, imminent. Correlate. Correlate is a verb that means to have a mutual relationship or connection. If you take a look at the synonyms, associate or connect, it will help you understand that word correlate. Okay, so let's read the sentence together. A survey found that the number of hours a student spends studying directly correlates with the score he or she will receive on the test. So notice how they have a mutual relationship. One thing cannot happen without the other, okay? Take a look at the antonyms, separate or disconnect, okay? So something that is correlated is connected, right? Something that is not correlated is disconnected or separate. You might have heard this word in your math class or science class before when you are looking at numbers or even looking at a science experiment. Redundant. Redundant is an adjective. Remember that adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. It's a descriptive word that means not or no longer needed or useful. So if something is no longer needed or necessary, you can say that it's redundant. Maybe your parents are saying the same thing over and over and over and over, and so it's become redundant. It's no longer needed or useful. They've told you to clean your room 15 times and you've already done it, so them asking you to do it again is redundant. Synonyms: excessive or repetitive. Antonyms: necessary, concise. Most passengers consider the flight attendant's safety speech to be redundant. Most people have heard it numerous times. Redundant. The next word is evolve. Evolve is a verb, an action word. It means to develop gradually, especially from a simple to a more complex form. So as you've been going through school, your knowledge has been evolving. You have evolved your learning, right? You've gone from a simple form of learning when you were a kindergartner to now being a junior, a more complex way of thinking. Your learning has evolved. The noun form is evolution. Adjective: evolutionary. Synonyms: develop or progress. Antonyms: stop or diminish. After practicing the craft for 10 years, Jan's scrapbooking evolved from a hobby to a thriving business with high-profile clients like Cher and Dwayne Johnson. Evolve. Adhere. Adhere is a verb, an action word that means to stick completely to a surface or substance. So think about like glue, right? You might adhere glue in order to stick two pieces of paper together. Or it can mean to believe in or follow the practices of. So if you adhere to a strict vegetarian diet, that means that you are following the practices of not eating meat. Synonyms: attach, comply. Antonyms: detach, disobey. Zach got arrested for refusing to adhere to Yellowstone National Park's strict no riding the bison policy. The noun form is adherence. So at school, we have a strict rule of adhering, right, to no substances, illegal substances on campus, right? Everyone has to be in adherence with that rule. Adherence. The last word is imminent. Imminent is an adjective. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. The definition means about to happen, likely to happen. Synonyms: impending, immediate. Antonyms: avoidable, distant. The violent winds hinted at the imminent dust storm. So if something is about to happen, you can say that it is imminent, right? We know that it's impending or about to happen. Imminent.